In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a waiting endpoint Discord. If you've ever tried to hop into a voice channel and seen the awaiting endpoint message hang there, it usually means the app is struggling to connect to a voice server. It's most often a temporary hiccup with the connection handshake, a stuck session in the app, or a wobbly network. The good news is that you can usually clear it in a minute or two with a few quick resets. Start by leaving and rejoining the voice channel. On desktop, click the disconnect button in the voice controls, and on mobile, tap the red disconnect icon. After you disconnect, wait about 10 to 15 seconds. That short pause gives Discord time to fully drop the old session so it doesn't try to reuse a broken connection. Then rejoin the same voice channel. If the issue was just a stale link to the voice server, you should connect cleanly and see your voice status switch over without delay. If it still sticks on a waiting endpoint, restart the Discord app. Make sure you fully quit it, not just close the window. On desktop, check the system tray and choose quit so the background process shuts down. On mobile, force close the app from the app switcher so it isn't lingering in memory. Then open Discord again and rejoin the voice channel. This refreshes the voice engine and the underlying connection to Discord's gateway, which often clears out anything that got stuck during a previous attempt. If the problem persists, restart your internet connection because the route between you and the voice server might be the culprit. If you're on Wi-Fi or wired internet, restart your router or modem. Give it a moment to fully cycle off and back on so it can request a fresh connection from your provider. If you're on mobile data, toggle airplane mode on, wait a moment, and then turn it off. That quick toggle forces your device to pick up a new network session and often a cleaner route, which helps Discord find and connect to the appropriate voice endpoint. Once your connection is back, open Discord and rejoin the voice channel. That's all you need. Leave and rejoin to clear a stale session, restart Discord to reset the app's voice connection, and restart your internet to refresh the route to Discord servers. Follow these in order, and you should be back in voice chat without that awaiting endpoint message getting in the way.